Step 8. How to use the Save button and what it does. Here's another useful feature that you may not have noticed. You've already created this estimate, but instead of clicking the Save button, you simply moved on. The difference is that if you look at the story right now, there's no office copy attached. Now, let's click the Save button. If we go back to the story, you'll see that a summary has been added. It is also attached an office copy for your reference. The purpose of this feature is to preserve a snapshot of your estimate. For example, let's say you've created an estimate with multiple products, but the client only wants to proceed with one of them for now. You can simply remove the products they don't want and continue with the quote. However, if you didn't click Save beforehand, those deleted line items and their information are gone permanently. If you save the estimate first, BlinQ creates an office copy containing all the measurements, products, pricing, and other details you've entered. That way, even after making changes to the quote, the original estimate is still available in the story whenever you need to refer back to it.